Want to try a bite?
No!
Not even for the video?
No, guys, I'm not meant to be in this video. I'm just watching a show.
I don't care if you're in the video or not.
Hello.
You don't want to try a bite, not even for the viewers?
Fine, just for the viewers.
Here, I'll get you a
Even
piece
though
of
I'm
chicken.
not really that hungry and it's nighttime. I hate mashed eggs.
It's scrambled eggs.
I hate those. I hate scrambled eggs. It tastes weird.
It's got chicken in it. You like chicken.
Yummy, yummy in my tummy.
You want another bite?
I'm a wormy worm.
Want another bite?
Give me a.
There's chicken. Want another piece? Want another bite? Right. It's chicken.
I think one person's tire just popped.
Want another bite?
Oh yeah!
There's chicken on that one.
Someone's car is probably one of their wheels has popped.
Probably.